Hello guys, I hope you are well. These are Pastel gradients by BulkGFX.com. You will get this winner file. Download link is in the description. Just need to extract this, and you extract this file, you will get this, and just open it. And available for Mac OS system and for Windows system. So you just need to click here. These are Adobe Illustrator format and JPG format. These are total 32 gradients, pastel gradients. You can check out. And in SVG format, same thing, but in SVG format and same are 32, total 32 formats. So these are available in Mac AI Adobe Illustrator system, and let's open it. So same thing, but in Adobe Illustrator format. You can download from the link in the description. Just click on the link in the description. You get this website, BulkGFX.com. This is my website. I provide graphic templates for free, and you can download from the here. And this is about the file you can download, and you can leave any comment here. It's optional. You should give us your suggestion as well. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. This data is quite useful for you, so please subscribe to my channel. Take care.